What time is it, Scott? 8:50? 8:15. So it's 8:15 right now. Friday, June 26th. Can you hear the thunder? It's pretty cloudy out, so it's pretty dark out for the time. Usually it's still pretty light out. But we're trying to get some rain. Hi, sweetie kitty. What are you doing in the rain? You're sitting in the rain. Why do you look weird? Something don't look quite right on you. Good kitty. Poor thing. Why is she sitting in the rain? Wow, it's really dark over here. Can't see much. Good kitty. Something don't look quite right on her. But we really needed this rain, people. I haven't well, we really haven't seen any significant rain. Now it's finally a downpour. And the nice thing is the ground will suck a lot of the water in before it starts draining. Although our property is pretty sparse and the clay is sitting up there, so I'm sure it's running off. It's almost too dark to video, but I don't know if you can hear the thunder. Beautiful. No wind to speak of. It's straight downpour. Alright, this is just a very, very short video, maybe a 3-minute one. Just to let you know, hey, the rains did come to Byron Center at 8:10 p.m. Friday evening, June 26, 2020. Alright, see you guys. Bye.